Yo, what up, Mike? What up, what up? I'm just setting everything up. Setting all this. Okay, I should be good now. Whew. Yo, crazy day. Just ripping on Netflix. Ripping on that Netflix. I'm just trying to organize all my tabs that I got open. Oh, here we go. Let me just put these on the same tab. Okay. There we go. Screamer? Dude, it's just, I played it last night a bit. I mean, I played it a lot. I actually passed this funded account. So I got an eval. I got this eval last night. All I did was go long 3 contracts and I passed it. Now it's a funded account. Dude, we cannot. Well, all right, hold on. The 15-minute orb was breakout today. I didn't do the 829 right. You would have played right here at 982 and you would have been out. I mean, it went as high as 992, went up 10 points. You would have definitely been out. I played the opening range today. That's these accounts, 266.40. See how they're copy traded? That was the opening range trade today. That hit today. The 15-minute orb breakout hit today. I actually played the so it's 80. See how it's 82 to 27. That's close enough for 50 points. So I played this for the bounce. Yo, what up, Kisan? This is just an eval. We haven't been able to break over. And I just feel like if we dump, I'll be able to pass it. But I'm worried that we can't break 22,000. So that's why it's not in a funded account. Honestly, it just looks like you're going to end up going up. I wouldn't be surprised if we're up like 2% later on. There you go. This is all in. This is just an eval. I just don't even know if this is fucking stopping. Are you guys up? You guys doing good today? I wouldn't take this in a funded account, by the way. This is definitely not a funded account setup. We're riding the 34. I actually don't even like it up here. I wanted to see the rejection uh, not make a new high and trade lower. I kind of liked when we broke over this. I was hoping we would then roll over and trade down, but we did not get that. And I just feel like it's just going to fucking trend up. What up, Empress? And I'm okay. Like, I made good money today in here, in here. I thought I was in an eval. That's how I blew this. I thought I was in an eval. I didn't realize it was a funded account. Why don't you full port long on the eval? I am. I mean, it's 5 contracts. 5 cons is full port for me because it allows it to move around a little bit. The trend's been up all day. If a trade setup doesn't present itself, it doesn't present itself for funded accounts. I don't like forcing funded accounts. So I'm just wondering how high they're going to bring this thing. Like, I mean, we broke out of the wedge. In theory, the target is 22,400. But, you want to see it kind of go up, kind of move, not just straight up. I mean, we are, these are all previous week highs, previous day lows, and things like that. But I mean, this thing's just cranking. This thing's just cranking. Damn. That's why I wouldn't trade it with a funded account. Prime example. I think we're going to chop here for a while. Nothing really constructive. I would take a trade all the way down here 100%. If we get down to 983, I would look to go long. I'm not a huge fan of playing short. Netflix earnings were monstrous, and I probably wouldn't be this. Netflix earnings were monstrous. I don't see a lot of bearish because of that. Trump announced a 500, was it million or billion? I got to look at the number. Money into AI infrastructure. There's a lot of money being poured into tech. So, I don't know if I'm looking to really short here. We're above the pivot point. You got 22,000 down here. Like, there's a lot of things that make me feel like they're just going to keep bringing it up. I almost was thinking about taking a small position with like a stop here at like 998, like a 3 micro position, and just let it ride. I would want to get in on a pullback though, if we get one. This thing looks like it's gonna go. I'll just do it in an eval. Yo, what up, Andy? I'm just gonna let this ride for the rest of the day. We'll see what happens. Pass or smash. Yeah, tell me about it. That's how my day was. Yesterday I was up a little bit. I haven't been making this week. What was it? Yesterday I haven't been making much money. Yesterday was I've pretty much been even on the week, and now today has obviously like propelled it forward more. And you know, I would want to see. I want to finish the month at like 20,000. So we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. I think there's a ton of room to the downside if they actually flush it. I just don't. It's going to take Trump signing some shit to really flush this out. But a nice dip would be nice. Not making the money. How high do you think they're going to take this? I mean, my target would be my target would probably be like 22,000, like highs, close to the highs. I mean, I thought when we broke this is the 4 hour, but I'll just show you on the daily. I mean, this is the daily. When we broke this and closed above, that's super bullish. Super bullish. So I was I was basically going to target the highs. But as you go up, you got to take chips off the table in case it does come back to retest or something like that. But I've been talking about this. I drew this, I think on Friday or Monday, I drew this when we were down here. And I just said, we're going to keep trading in this. And eventually, if we break out, it's super bullish. What up, Flip? Just feels like they're going to keep it going. It's going to be one big grind day. On gold, let me see what it looks like on gold. Let me see. GC. Are you playing after hours or just market during the market? Hey man, if it works, it works. See, the setting you use is 3-2. Hey man, that's what I try doing is just bringing, I don't know, putting things out there, and if it, hopefully it helps people out. That's what it's about. Hopefully, whatever it is I do helps you out. I'm glad it's working though. Super happy that it's working. For anyone that doesn't know, this is what he's talking about. This is on the NASDAQ though. My bias is to the upside really. So I'm probably not going to take a sell, but I would like to see a dip and then take the buy signal. Man, it's having a lot of trouble up here. I wonder if they do bring it down to like 971. Damn, this just printed a sell signal. Let's see if it closes sell. Oh, it's going to. This is just a script, people. This is just a script that I'm following. I'm not. Don't take this. This isn't like a. This is a back test, a forward test. I'm forward testing something. So do not just follow this blindly. Literally forward testing. The problem is we're getting close to 22,000, and this is where you got to kind of have fucking common sense. I'm taking it off. Yes, the 3 key value and ATR period. Yeah. Yo, what up, Waldo? What up? What up? Just yeah, see, this is why you could follow a script, but you do have to have some common sense. Like, I don't know, 22,000 is going to be a rough one to break. You know, I don't know if we break 22,000. So to me, that's why I took that off. Ooh, man. I mean, be a fucking nice bounce. If we come down there, I'll probably take it. I already have my orders in. Got my orders in, just waiting. Oh, this is a PA account that's been hurt pretty good, so I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. Dude, that'd be nice if I could pass this account today. I don't think I'm going to trade this funded account today unless we start getting some movement. I want to see us come down and retouch the top of the orb. That means we would travel 41, 61 points. I'm going to take that. I don't have to pay the activation on the free account, right? I have no idea, to be honest with you. I have no idea. Did you, when you bought it, when you got it, did you use my coupon code or you just did whatever? Flip. Where am I going long? I have an order at 984. I wonder, what date was it? Do you know the date that you got the account? If it was after they stopped the no activation fee, then you would have to pay it. Oh yeah. The deal stopped. Yeah, then you have to pay an activation fee. Oh man. I'll be honest with you, that's why I was telling everybody to grab Take Profit Trader accounts from Black Friday all the way through, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. They had the no activation fee. That was like money. That was not to be slept on. That to me was the deal. That was an awesome deal. And if you have accounts where you used the coupon code and have accounts that have no activation fee, I would reset those, because when you reset them, it carries the no activation fee for life. Just letting you know. That's why when there's like deals like that, you just take advantage of it. See, yo, what up, Sean? I'm just waiting in this chop. Yeah, take it easy, man. Take it super slow. do we bounce off? Are they going to finally drop it here? I'm just looking for a quick little scalp to see if we hold 22,000. I'm not looking to get much money off this, if any at all. Yeah, lost $47. That's no biggie. Come on. Come on. Yeah, man. I feel you. I've done it. I've done that a couple of times, man. It's not great. Oh, come on here. Selling, there's no real selling pressure. I'm waiting for like a candle down here. Come on. Come on. Oh, jeez. Grab some orders and then bounce. Grab some orders and bounce, baby. Let's go. Oh. If this gets back over 22,000, I'll take a small half position here. This fucking market. Come on. Yo, what up, Racer? I'm just watching, just relaxing and breathing. Either come down and grab all of my orders at 83 or just bring it the fuck back up. I mean, it's not that hard. We're going one way or the other here. Either bring it back up. It almost feels like volume is like low. It almost feels like we have like low volume, like just. All right, I just made my fucking money back. That's all I was looking for. Really easy. Get back over 20,000 for the scalp. On the way to shameless new highs. Man, you got no, dude, it's crazy. It's so crazy. It's just, I mean, I can't even. I should try out the new Beluga RSI. I'll add it. Let me see what it looks like. Geez, there's so many fucking. How many RSI vol? All right, so RSI. Thing's all fucked up. RSI. Oh, I see it. Suppression zones. What do I got here? What is it showing me? For everybody else, I'll bring it on the screen. So it is low RSI detection. It's this, and it's this purple box. But what does that actually mean? I'm guessing the arrow down is down, but what exactly is it meaning? I don't actually know what it means. Does it mean when it's low, just don't fucking get in? What exactly does it mean? I gotta look it up then. Oh yeah, this thing looks like they're gonna. Overbought, oversold. This other script's about the fire. Oh, this other one. Oh, dude, it almost triggered a buy. If it triggers a buy, I put in my 10-point dip. Move this down, move this down. That's the add point. We're right at the pivot point right here. The lower the RSI, the lower the volatility. Yeah, I've never actually used the RSI indicator. I know it's like one of the ones that like everybody uses, I guess, when they first start off. Like, look at the RSI. I don't. I haven't really used it. Is this thing going to just romp here? What up, Brad? Man, we're right below the pivot point. I'm curious if they just push it to the opening range line. Oh, man. Come on. The Russell looks awful. Whoo, baby. That thing's just unloading. Unloading. Dow getting a bounce. ES looks like it's might bounce here back to highs. Did you get out of the new Apex? Did you get to try out the new Apex? Yo, Chung, you talking about wealth charts? Wealth charts? Wealth charts was brutal. I did not like wealth charts at all. Yeah, wealth charts was not what the fuck is this? The Ledger CEO has been kidnapped in France? What the fuck? That's crazy. You love wealth charts? I'm just not a fan of wealth charts, to be honest. I was not a big fan of them. I just think that the platform itself is very like there's just a lot of shit going on. Yeah, what are you using as the indicators, Andy? On wealth charts, which ones are you using? I have 3 free accounts actually with wealth charts that I've been meaning to load up and just kind of full port. Oh, Champion Cross. I remember that. I seen it. Did you do the training? Just so whoever's watching, I'm forward testing something. Do not follow this trade. I said that a bunch of times through the stream, but do not follow. I wish I could like rename this account like do not follow. They don't allow me to do it. The Tuck Race Trophy. Yo, all good. I've never done the training. I just wasn't a big fan of the platform, primarily because I have so many other platforms up as it is. I have Ninja Trader, Quant Tower, Trading View, TradeAV. Like, I just can't go with another. I just can't do another one. So you go all in when they say go all in, Andy? Is that how it works? The YOLO indicator. Yo, what up, Prom? I have all those as well. You must adapt to what they're giving you. I only trade. Dude, my phone just sits at like 4%. Super choppy. Super, super, super. What proof you suggest for 50K? Are you talking about prop firm, Cat? I didn't know that the wealth charts accounts were more money. I thought they were the same as Apex. Have you gotten a payout yet, Cap? Like, how far along are you? Have you gotten paid, or are you just starting out? You know, where are you at in your trading journey? You know, just so I'll put it like that. Hey, Joyce. Oh, you have some Apex? I mean, my funded futures I find to be nice. No new accounts. Dude, I would not pay 170 bucks. That's wild. That's wild, wild. Um, I would say like my funded futures is good. Um, my funded futures is just pretty solid. I feel like people sleep on it, but it's pretty good. Am I well? I am well. Thank you, Joyce. I'll be super well if we can get to 34. If we can get to 34, I will be super, super well. I have my last little bit to get rid of right here. Ah, fuck, man. So I basically worked myself out of the position. As you could see, I added at 2000, basically 22,000. I added, and I added again at 15, which allowed me to basically get out up here for for a little gain. But I'm following the script, but I'm also kind of trading within it. Like, I have a couple rule sets that I have. This is a rough day. I don't want to, I'm not looking to smoke it. Yeah, I would say my funded futures is good. I like take profit trader, but you know, it's definitely more expensive now that they have the activation fee back. My funded futures has no activation fee. Um, That's probably where I would go. I think that's where all people that haven't gotten a payout should definitely, definitely try out. Damn, I would have gotten my fucking take profit right there. Oh, I would have got an extra $200. That was it. Yo, what up, Joe? What up? What up? Yo, how you been doing, Joe? How's the accounts? How we looking? You still building them? Boom, 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 boom. So in theory, that script is still green. And I've been playing with re-adding on dips as long as we remain green, using it kind of as a trading guide, but not ever going back up to the full 20 minis, 20 micros. You purchase a GAT. You bought a GAT. I'm thinking, me and you think a GAT is two different things. So what'd you buy? Was that the thing that stops you from trading? 400 away from her first payout's nice though. Is a GAT like that a Halo thing that you can just log yourself out? Man, this is one big chop. Yo, you got them Red Rocket in the shorts? I mean, you're really just trading in this range. I didn't see this coming. Yeah, the Guardian Angel trade. Yeah. Put you in timeout. It's like, Joseph, go in the bathroom. Put him in the bathroom. Yeah, it's a good idea. It's a real good idea, to be honest. Call housekeeping. Dude, it's crazy. What's in there that's forcing it down so bad? It's down almost 0.75%. What stocks? I'm just looking to see what. Get on your stool, go in the corner. Yeah, it's freaking. Yeah. Hey, man, whatever helps you, you should do, you know? That's what I tell everybody. If it helps you, use it. It's really just like NQ and ES. Look, YM is shitting itself. ES is kind of holding, and NQ is basically back at high days, high day. I think, that's what the Netflix earnings have done. Tech is up. What was interesting about Netflix earnings is, I guess their ad revenue like doubled. Netflix ad, I think it like, yeah, so they doubled ad revenue in 2024, which is interesting because if you look at other companies that work with them, maybe ads are super high. If you want to look at other companies like TTD and things like that. Yo, they're raising prices, man. They got you. I don't even think Netflix is that good. Like, tell me what's so good on Netflix that you're like, oh my God, it's so good. Like, they really need to get more into live sporting events. Holy shit. Did this just fucking pop? Isn't Black Mirror on HBO? Isn't that an HBO thing? Yo, it's just, damn, this thing just fucking rocketed. Design Knob, were you in? You in? I know you were given the freaking red rocket. I'm wondering if you jumped in. Ah, well, you put the red rocket in the shorts. Ugh. Well, they never came down and filled me. Awesome. I want to build this up to daily payouts. Give me some dailies right here. I need another $1,200 and we could start pulling some money out. Get that money. Dude, this is a fucking weird ass day. You'll know when I get in long, was it just going to dump? Just unloads to the downside. That's what I know you got in long. I'll tell you what. Man, it's so interesting with the whole trend scripts. That's why I like forward testing it. I think the big thing is I'm going to have to. I got to see some stuff. I got to forward test. The opening range trade hit today, by the way, if anyone was following that. Opening range hit 266 in two different accounts. Who's buying up here? Tell me, who's buying up here? Who is freaking buying up here? Anyone besides myself is like, who's buying up here? Come on. Yeah, I mean, what's my ratio in the opening? I am climbing the ladder. What's my ratio in the opening? Oh, stop loss to take profit. I'll show you right now. So today was a rough day because this candle was this. So this, that's the 930 candle. It's this one. So I am looking, if I take it to break over this, my stop is the bottom of the candle. And if it goes below, my stop is up here. I took it to the downside for only like 2 points because we had 900 right here. And then I took it back over for 3. And I got $300 minus fees. That's what that is. Usually I take it 4 points. Usually it's 4 points and my stop loss is this candle, however big it is. This is a big candle though. It's usually not 14 points. Usually it's like 8 to 10 points. Today was abnormally, definitely a larger candle. Look at this thing just stalling out. Normally I'm trying to get 4 points and my stop loss is like 8 to 10 points. So I have a whole video. I back tested it. It hit like the win rate was super high. Let me see if I can just dig up if I can find it. Let me see if I could find it. So out of let me see, this is 20 times 18. So out of 36 trades, it lost 5 times. So it was 31 for 36. If you want the stats. So 31 times you would have been right. 5 times you would have been wrong. And net for points, net for points over that, it was over 18 days. You would have been up 70 points on the NQ. So 70 points. If you were playing one contract, you'd be up $1,400. If you were playing 3, you'd be up a lot more. So I'm playing 3, and it was 18 trading days. It was over. So over those 18 trading days, you would have made a lot of money. That's how it works. So as long as you follow the rules, you know, you do the back testing, the forward testing, over time, it's going to be profitable. It's just, can I hit where I lose 2 days in a row? Yeah, but it's usually not common. Dude, this is just a slow grind. This is a product of me just being bored and want to flip this real quick. That's all that is me just waiting and waiting. This freaking garbage. This is a little flag, so that's why I just took the flag break. But man, this price action is freaking awful, man. That's how I back tested it, Walter. And you're going for 4 points. Let's see what yesterday did. Watch, I'll just show you real quick. So I go back to yesterday's candle. Nine. So this is the 921 candle, right? Look, so you put your buy right there, 712. You're out at 716. I would have made money. And then I have a sell at 694, and you would have gotten your money right there because it went down 5 points, and you would have made both sides. If you watch, I have a whole video about it. I do the back testing and whatnot. But I've been doing all types of back testing on videos to find out the best indicators, all types of stuff, high win rates too. Super high. Flip is using the UT bot thing. You know, the UT bot thing. I back tested this. I back tested. This is the UT bot thing. Yo, what up, Ray? What up? What up? So I don't know. I've just been doing a lot of back testing, and now I'm forward testing a lot of things. I have videos on the 15-minute orb, the hourly orb, all types of stuff, and it's really created a lot of high win rate trades. Ray, you winning? How's your day going, Ray? Green so far, caught that opening jump. Hey, that's all you need sometimes. Sometimes that is all you need. Price action is kind of right now. So I also back tested when you go 50 points above. So right now we're at 36. You know, we go around 80, 86, and then we come back and trade back to 37. That's a trade I want to take. Empress, so how does Profit Trader work when you sign up? You get an account like this, and then you trade. Yo, I definitely blame it on Ray. You'll use Tradeovate, and you'll have Empress. I'm gonna make a whole Take Profit Trader video after the market because people have asked a couple questions. They stopped the daily loss limit. I'm gonna make a video for everybody after hours, but it's pretty much like all of them, being that you use Take Profit Trader, not to Tradeovate. How much money have you made before you take payout on 50K? You got to make $2,250. The buffer is $2,000, and then you want to make $250 so you don't get charged a fee for withdrawal, and then you could take that money out. You just got to stay above 52,000. Yo, Cove, any idea how long it never expires, man? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Like Outcast, man. If any of you guys remember that song, am I showing my age? Did I just show my age with that? I'm thinking about adding a straight to funded account while I wait to pass an eval. I have this one, Ray. Don't get the 100K, but I use Tradeify. I use Tradeify, and you might be able to save more money than what they have on the website. Let me see. I can't even find the fucking thing. Oh, this is going to be a nightmare. Where is... Dude, where is... Oh. I'm looking for the Streamlabs thing, actually. All right, here, I found it. I strictly use fast track trading for all my funded accounts, obviously. All right, sorry guys, I'm scrolling up. I couldn't find the freaking tab that had the chat on it. All right, yo, Cove, any idea how long? All right, that works. Yo, what's your stop loss normally? I put 40 ticks. Yeah, that's about right. 40 ticks, 50 ticks. Mike, I think your biggest problem is your entry, not your stop loss. I think you're entering early and not waiting for it to come down to actual support, or that's what I would say is going on. But if you want, lower the amount of contracts you're buying, and then you have a larger stop loss. Is that Southern? I forget the song. It was like 2005 ish, 4 ish. I'll start next month. Want to keep working on strategy with your help. I still like the orb strategy, but getting used to it. Yeah, the problem with the orb strategy is on days like this when you're trade out, like we're probably not. I'll just go to like we're probably not going to trade back into the orb. You know, this was the orb play today. We traded above almost 50 points, and then when we came back, you should have taken that long. That was the play of the day. I mean, I'm waiting to come back down to. Have I tried Tick Tick Trader? I have not. I have too many accounts. Scott, thanks for your contribution to the hedge fund. Yeah, your stop loss is ticks with how many contracts? One mini is usually I do 40 or 50 ticks, one mini. Yeah, when I do micros, it's a little bit larger. I'm willing to do 20. I'm willing to lose like $200 to $300 on a trade. That's where I go. $200 to $300 is where I'm okay losing. I'm not looking to take $900 losses or any shit like that. Like, is this thing just gonna fucking go? You know, like I'm just looking for a scalp here. Like this isn't like a quality setup. Just kind of flagging. We dipped, and I'm just wondering if they're gonna bring this up to like. I wonder if they bring it up to 22,100. Can I show how I place trades for the 928 break? Sure. What's the nine? Let me just look to see what 928 break is. Oh, you're about 928 in the morning, right? That's what you look 928 in the morning. Yeah. So what I did was it's not I took the 929 candle. That's what it looked like. Obviously my take profits were smaller. All I'm looking for is a flash up, flash down. I'm trying to get the volatility. That's all I'm trying to get is volatility where it breaks over, I get filled, it breaks down, I get filled, and then I'm out. I'm not trying to pick a side. I'm just looking for that early morning price volatility. I'm basically just moving these accounts up, and I'll just keep doing it. Uh, yeah, yeah, 16 ticks. And then you can move it yourself. And then you got to move the stop to be at the bottom, like on the other side of the candle. Yeah, no problem, man. Hey, you know what, Mike? I'm sure there's other people that want to know and they don't want to type it. So you definitely help somebody else out. Did I play any funded accounts today? Yes. I played, these four are funded. This I played, I thought this was an eval, but it was a funded account. And I didn't realize it was a funded account until it was gone. And then these small losses are funded. I got to turn that around. This is a funded account. This is a funded account. This is a funded account. Two of them are eval. These two are evals. And just this PA account I thought was an eval, but it wasn't. It was kind of a stupid mistake. I thought I was in an eval and I wasn't. So I paid the price. Paid the price, but it is what it is. You know, I will, you know, as long once you make enough money to cover the drawdown, the trailing drawdown goes away. Yes, it does. So I'll just show you. This account I have right here is 50. This one, see how it's over the 52,600? I didn't trade this at all today. My drawdown is 3,572. So that's how that works. That's why like people like are worried with take profit trader. It's same thing with take profit trader. Like, oh, you're trailing drawdown. Well, once you get out of the woods, there is no trailing drawdown. It's just it stays static. You know. 1,600 bucks. $1,600. Dude, this is just going to be a buy and that's it. Just go long. Go long and don't do anything the rest of the day. Is that what we're doing? I mean, this looks like it's going to go up another leg. This looks like it's going to go up a third leg right now. Jeez. If this is the real move, it will stay above the 9. That's what you want to see. You want to see it stay above the 9, and that will mean it's the real, it's the real leg up. If it goes below the 9, then we're not breaking out. Yeah, I hate when they just grind it up like they're doing right now. Like it's we're not really moving around. It's just a slow grind. I typically do not like trading in these environments. I like when we're moving places. I want to see, movement more than like these choppy candles and then, that's why I'm honestly, this is my worst PA account that I have. And that's the only reason why I'm using it. I'm not trading probably any of my good accounts until it shapes up a little bit. Just freaking chopping. Oh, are you fucking kidding? Dude, this mark is just pissing me off. It's so fucking annoying. Yo, I held last night. That's how I passed. I passed this account by just holding all night until it hit. I bought at 6:10 and just held. Oh, what are you talking about? This, Walter? From the, I feel like it's going to at least touch 22,108. I'm just holding. This PA account is fucking smoked anyways, so. Oh, yeah. If it dies, it dies. Right? Isn't that the saying from Rocky 4? If he dies, he dies. I'm riding this thing. I keep getting stopped out, so I would be up already. My thesis was right. I would be up already. It is what it is. But we'll just sit and watch it. I gotta go get lunch soon. I'm definitely gonna go get some lunch. It just looks like it's just gonna grind up to 22,100. So we'll see what happens. Yo, good morning, Dora. Joseph, I'm holding these two minis. Whatever happens, happens. I'm okay losing this account. This account has been beat up. The drawdown is small. Like, I don't like building. Once accounts get to a certain point, I'm kind of out on them. So I take one last trade, and that trade either brings me back or it doesn't. And this is the trade that is either going to bring me back or it's not. So I'm okay with that. But I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. for anybody that's on right now. I'll be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code CoveTrader. I'm going to hold on to this trade. We'll give away an account later on. We'll definitely do an account giveaway later on. And look at that shit. Are you fucking kidding me? This is what I deal with, people. I missed that by one tick. That was a one tick. One tick. Boom. There, I turned it fucking green. Awesome trade. I'll see you guys at 2 p.m. Peace.